24/7.
To provide this audience. A lot of companies have been reaching out to us from various sections like the HR heads, the facility heads, the center heads, with various questions and clarifications as they plan out their return to office plans. So today is the day to have those clarifications sought and addressed. We also have a large number of industry members joined on the Zoom call who could not make it in person today here. So this will be a great platform to interact with the officers here. As we know, Cyberabad Security Council has done.
Sorry. Krishna, thank you so much, sir, for your support in preparing this report. Hyderabad, is very famous for many other aspects, but at this time, I would like to highlight the one unique thing about Hyderabad is SCSC. We work with various clients across the city, and the kind of feedback we get from Hyderabad, especially from SCSC, we get rare reviews. I think this is one unique thing, and I strongly recommend every one of us to really use the facilities, the services which is offered by SCSC. I personally have seen the kind of work, the dedicated and committed work done by the SCSC during this pandemic is amazing. I'm sure many of us, our organizations, and we have personally benefited.
Who have been in the hot seat in the last 2 years that we have seen this pandemic, and these are the officers actually who had dealt with the pandemic, who had made us, safe. Then I would like to also thank Mr. Amar for having graced the occasion, along with Shashi Reddy Garu and Gibson. And also I would like to thank our Secretary General, Krishna Garu, for having put together such unique and wonderful program. In the last executive meeting and in one of my interactions with with many of you, there were a lot of questions that were put forth to me, and I should say about 50 to 60% of the questions were mostly health related. So it was then that I had committed to you that I would bring my batchmate and very close friend, Mr. Rizvi, here, and make you interact with you, because this is a very important time and a transition that the industry is going through, especially when the COVID, in fact, is on a receding phase. All of you probably have lot of concerns, and most of you would be thinking about bringing a lot of your employees back from home to offices. I'm sure you must be having a lot of questions in your mind, queries as to how you should go about it. So I thought I would bring the main man here and make you interact with them. So I'm very happy that this was possible today. I personally know Rizvi Garu, and we are very good friends, and he's gone to the IIT, and now he's handling the health sector here. He's very capable, and he's been very scrupulously following the directions and dictums of our Honorable CM Garu, and made Telangana state such a health safe state as far as COVID is concerned. So here we are. I'll not take much of your time. I'm sure most of you would have had a lot of questions in your mind. So after Rizvi addresses all of you, we would have a Q&A session, both online and offline as well. So thank you all. We are all here for you. Okay, especially Cyberabad Police. We have worked so closely during the pandemic, and we've been able to mitigate this problem despite
It
having
cannot be done
so many.
by the members of the SCSC. Your capabilities are far deeper than the capabilities of enterprises in other sectors. So I can definitely, I'm sure that your endeavor in resuming physical work will certainly succeed. As you know, and I'm talking from personal experience, that we in government sector have been working in physical workspaces right from the beginning of the pandemic. Almost all government offices started working in physical workspaces right from day one. And our success, I can say with considerable satisfaction, that the success of government offices in controlling the spread of disease, of infection within our workspaces has been, quite noteworthy. And there's no reason why you cannot do that. We have a large number of people working in our offices, people of different educational backgrounds, people of different awareness levels, people who come to interact with us. It's not just that we are working when in government offices. When I say we have resumed working in government offices, it's not just that we are interacting with our colleagues. We are also interacting with ordinary public, with common people. All type of people with different levels of awareness come and meet us and interact with us. And despite all of that, I can say, as I said, with considerable satisfaction, that we have been quite successful through the first wave, through the second wave, in avoiding serious infection levels in our establishments. And what has been basically the approach? The approach has been very simple. Right from the beginning, right through all the variants, the alpha, beta, delta, all the Greek alphabet, and now Omicron. I don't